welcome to How to Housewife. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a regular, welcome back. I am a stay-at-home mum in Queensland with 2 boys and it's currently school holidays for September. So what are we going to do today?
We're going to plant the Discovery Gardens.
Alright, so as you would have seen in a previous video, Woolworths, our grocery chain here, have come out with these little boxes that you get. They're little seedlings that you plant. They all look the same, and when you open them up you find out what the actual item is. So I've had a little sneak peek. We've got a few fun things. We've got some radish, we've got some bok choy, and we're going to open them up. We've got 5 today, so we're going to open them up and we're going to plant them today, and then we'll see how they go sprouting.
Yeah.
Alright, so grab yourself a cup of tea and hit the subscribe button and the like button, and let's do this. Alright, do you want to open the first one?
Yes.
Okay. Open up. What is it?
Spinach.
Okay. So this is the soil. Yep. So this is the soil for one of them. I would say all the soil is the same. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to zoom in on the next one. Let's just...
Now, which one is it? Radish.
Is it radish over?
No.
Oh, okay. It's a radish. Alright, pop it in.
I got Lucy lettuce.
Why are you naming them all? Oh, I got bok choy.
Bok choy?
Yeah. So bok choy is going to go in this one over here. I'm pretty sure all the soils would be the same anyway, but just in case there's something special that a certain type of vegetable needs, I'm keeping them in the right containers. Right, give me that.
It's a bit wet.
Yeah, that's okay. I need the seeds too. So inside here, so you've got these little tags. I'll show you what they are. And then inside the actual box, you've got like a sheet, I guess, of seeds. And it will get planted originally in the box, but then once it sprouts, we're going to have to replant it. Most of the soil in here.
Make sure there's some of them.
Yeah, that's right. Most of it, but not all of it in there.
Oh, so you make sure that.
So make sure you leave some. Okay. Yeah, these are getting really wet. I'll worry about that. Right. Okay, put the sheet in. Yep, pop it in flat. You say you set it up or anything. It shouldn't matter. Okay, there we are.
That's why it says to use some leftover.
Yep, it's a couple of it. So my grandfather, your great grandfather, was actually a farmer in outback Australia.
He was?
Yeah. So my mum, your grandmother, grew up and spent most of her life on farms in rural communities.
Like
So let's hope we do them proud. Alright, there's the lettuce.
Lucy lettuce.
Lucy lettuce. So Lucy is done. We're going to name all of them. Okay, Radish is done. Ratty and Lucy are done. Next.
Spiny spinach.
Most of the soil in. I'm getting pretty good at doing this. I could become a professional Discovery Garden planterer. What do you think?
I think that's too big of a name.
I think we should find out if any of these live before I start turning my career into something like this. That in. And last one. What have we got left?
Bok choy.
Bok choy. Bok choy?
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Here we are. Oh, the yummy dirt.
Yummy duck.
Well, it's got lots of nutrients in there, which is going to make our vegetables and our herbs all yummy. Okay, pop it in. Last one. In it goes. Alright, I'm going to get rid of these dishes and wash my hands. And so we have planted all of our seedlings. So we've got spinach, radish, bok choy, lettuce and oregano, and hopefully they will sprout soon. We'll keep you updated.